Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about the role of strength training in weight loss. Weight loss is a multifaceted journey that involves a combination of dietary changes, aerobic exercise, and strength training. While many people associate weight loss primarily with cardiovascular workouts like running, cycling, or swimming, strength training is often overlooked as an essential component of a successful weight loss strategy. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will delve into the science behind strength training's role in weight loss, the various benefits it offers, and how to incorporate it into your fitness routine effectively. The science behind strength training and weight loss. At its core, weight loss is about creating a caloric deficit, where you burn more calories than you consume. While aerobic exercises like jogging or swimming can help you burn calories during the activity, strength training offers unique benefits that support and complement the weight loss process. Muscle mass preservation. One of the key advantages of strength training during weight loss is that it helps preserve and even increase lean muscle mass. When you create a calorie deficit through diet and exercise, your body may break down both fat and muscle for energy. However, incorporating strength training into your routine can help minimize muscle loss. This is important because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue does. The more lean muscle mass you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, making it easier to maintain weight loss in the long term. Boosting metabolism. Strength training can increase your metabolism not only during the workout but also for hours afterward. This phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. After a challenging strength training session, your body continues to burn calories as it works to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. This can result in a higher overall calorie expenditure, contributing to weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. Strength training has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for weight management. Enhanced insulin sensitivity means your body can better regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of storing excess glucose as fat. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Fat loss. While strength training primarily targets muscle development, it can also contribute to fat loss. As you build lean muscle mass, your body may shift its composition, leading to a decrease in body fat percentage. Additionally, the increased metabolism associated with strength training helps your body tap into fat stores for energy, further aiding in fat loss. Benefits of strength training in weight loss. In addition to the scientific rationale, strength training offers numerous benefits that can enhance your weight loss journey in various ways. Enhanced body composition. As mentioned earlier, strength training can help reshape your body by reducing body fat and increasing muscle mass. This not only contributes to weight loss but also improves your overall physique and body composition. Increased strength and functionality. Regular strength training can make daily activities easier, as it enhances your physical strength and functional capabilities. This can translate to improved mobility, better posture, and reduced risk of injury during other physical activities. Bone health. Weight-bearing strength exercises are excellent for bone health. They help increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, which is particularly important as we age. Mental health benefits. Strength training is not just about physical gains. It also has positive effects on mental well-being. Engaging in regular strength workouts can boost your mood, reduce stress, and increase self-confidence, all of which can be essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle during weight loss. Sustainable weight loss. The combination of muscle preservation, increased metabolism, and improved insulin sensitivity from strength training can lead to more sustainable weight loss. It helps prevent the common yo-yo effect where people regain lost weight after stopping a diet or exercise routine. Incorporating strength training into your weight loss plan. To harness the benefits of strength training for weight loss effectively, consider these practical tips. Set realistic goals. Define clear and achievable weight loss and strength training goals. Consult with a fitness professional or personal trainer to create a tailored plan that aligns with your objectives. Balanced routine. Combine strength training with cardiovascular exercise and a balanced diet for comprehensive weight loss support. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week in addition to strength training sessions. Progressive overload. To see continuous improvements in strength and muscle mass, progressively increase the weight or resistance in your workouts. This gradual progression challenges your muscles and stimulates growth. Consistency. Consistency is key in strength training. Aim for regular workouts, ideally 2-3 times per week. Make it a part of your routine to ensure long-term success. Proper technique. Ensure that you use proper form and technique during strength training exercises to minimize the risk of injury. Consider working with a certified trainer, especially if you are new to strength training. Variety. Incorporate a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups. This prevents overuse injuries and keeps your workouts engaging and effective. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Allow muscle groups to recover for 48-72 hours between strength training sessions. Nutrition. Pay attention to your diet. Ensure you are consuming enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Consult a registered dietitian for personalized nutrition guidance. Conclusion. In the pursuit of weight loss, strength training plays a vital and often underestimated role. Its ability to preserve muscle mass, boost metabolism, and improve overall health makes it a valuable addition to any weight loss plan. By incorporating regular strength training sessions into your routine, setting realistic goals, and maintaining consistency, you can achieve sustainable weight loss, enhance your physical and mental well-being, and enjoy the many benefits of a healthier, stronger body. Remember, the journey to weight loss is not just about losing pounds on a scale but about gaining strength, confidence, and a better quality of life. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.